to, Mimi.
Video-video po kung natapos gawa. Sila mga kuan ba? Kana kung
Mga candid lang.
candidate ba? Matataon niya sa kung ano. Video. Video eh, may.
Video si Papa. Si Papa video eh. Di ba Papa? Papa. Ah, Dilan na po, video ka Dilan. Luka, Dilan no? Si Ilan no? Sige sa to. Rola, rola. Where are we? Papa, what are you doing, Papa? Tamang kain-kain lang ng biscuit si Mimi.
Ah. Sama di tindahan.
Yan, nakalimutan ko na din tindahan.
900 din kuan mo mi.
Pila?
Ang cottage kailangan din na cottage.
Nya, ibayaran nimo.
Overnight.
400 na lagi na.
Overnight man.
Ah, mas mahal pag overnight. Pero para second to the last.
Great na sa kuan. Bago pa mo pintura.
Go, go, go.
Let's go, let's go.
Let's go, go,
Sleeper,
go.
be sleeper.
Zipper, zipper, zipper. Go, go, go. Mimi. Hello. Hello. Mimi.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away.
DIY. DIY electric fan connected ba? Wow. Oh, buhay. Can we skip to the good part? Mimi. Hey, your face is so dirty. Oh no.
No.
No? Inside? You want to go inside?
Cactus. Cactus. Bigas. Bigas. Isa.
skip to the good part.
Ay, diri deh. Ayan eh.
Naman sa iyang kuan. Wow, lagi. Mura mag-correct oy. Nilang say hello. Hello. Hi. Lala, ikaw na si Mimi. Ano naman ka, Mimi? Hala. Hala! Dirty na imuhang hands. Hush! Ayun na, eat! Ayun na, eat ba? Ay, Mimi!
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions.
Fish! Fish! Call sa si Papa. Run si Mama. Wait lang kay Papa. Come here. Ilang lang. Go get fish. No. Bili lang ka. Kuratan si Mimi.
Saan ka? Sa to ang
Kamusta
minister.
mga ka-DDS?
Kumusta ang rally gabi?
Ay, wow eh.
Wow.
Hubog Japon.
Kami diri sa Uy. Kuya, ang ship boy logro. Oh, wait.
Ano?
Busa mo ito. Nability. Hi, sir.
Hi!
Hi, vlog.
Sunsi.
Mimi. Loh. Saan na? Saan na siya? Hello. Kuya, wag tirada, oy. Hi, sir. Saan giluto, sir?
Ito po kuan.
All the way from Davao City pa rin siya. Nami karon sa Dahican. Oh,
Dahikan.
Black Sun. Oh.
Tikaw, pa siya. Himo pa mig baby food, ana.
Kamu na lang ba duha na ibigay mo?
Kami yung duha. Kapugi ni mo buyag lang ay.
School na ko kanon. Yang papay ka kuya mo sa sundo.
Asa
Sila
man
ko sa school. Ikaw
Play
sa school
school.
kami. Kaso ka ni mura na sa kapulis.
Asa man dapit?
Saan tabay sa sana kung ba? 1 hour lang yun.
Diyan mo siya nga. Ayun nag-reply lang daw if ever na.
Nasa chat. Buta na sila. Timing yung kabubo oy.
Hello. Eat na ka diya.
It's so sharp. It's so yummy. It's so sharp.
Hello. Mag-cry po ako.
Sugod sa puasa.
Mag-rice pa ta, balay. Ha? Hindi na ni kanon.
Hi, sir.
Oo.
Ang dami ba? Ano ba sila?
Habis na po. Anong kasalanan ko?
Ay, view si Mimi. Mimi! Wow! Look at that fish!
Nandun na to, ne?